In this video I'm going to show you how to lock Facebook profile. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first open up your Facebook and tap here on your profile icon. Once you are on profile, tap on these three dots next to Edit Profile button and here select Lock Profile. Locking profile makes your photos and posts more private in one step. When you lock your profile, only friends will see the photos, posts and stories on your profile. Only friends will see your full-size profile picture and cover photo. People will still be able to search for you and send you friend requests. And once you read all of this text, tap on Lock Your Profile to make profile lock. If you go back for a step here, you will see that your profile now locked. And to unlock your profile, you may do the same thing. Tap on three dots and tap on Unlock. That's how it works. Hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.